जी तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, रिव्यू के बाद अब बारी आती है इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज की। हमने इस चैप्टर में जो कुछ सीखा, हमने उन सारी चीज़ें सीखी गई चीज़ों को अब इन क्वेश्चंस की सूरत में परफॉर्म करना है और उसके मुतालिक कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ को सॉल्व करना है। तो चलिए चलते हैं अब चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज की तरफ।
एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन ए, टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। स्टेटमेंट 1. When we click on this blue exclamatory icon on the left corner of the Sprite thumbnail, it displays the dash. Option D, Sprite info pane. Statement 2. It creates another copy of the Sprite. Option B, duplicate. Statement 3. There are dash new Sprites buttons to add a Sprite. 4. Option C. We can change the backdrop of the stage using dash options. All these options. Choose backdrop from library, choose backdrop from file, or paint new backdrop. All of these option D. The x-axis ranges from option B minus 240 to plus 240. Question B. Write T for true and F for false in the given circles. On clicking the stage icon, the backdrop tab appears in the place of the costumes tab. True. We cannot delete the backdrop. False. A programming language has a set of instructions called program. True. The go-to block plays a musical note for a specified number of beats. False. As the sprites moves on the stage, pen block is used to draw a trail. True. Option C. Fill in the blanks. The dash tab allows us to record or import sound files for a sprite. Sound. Statement 2. The default position of sprite is at the point where the x-axis and y-axis meet, called dash. Origin. A dash is a small graphic character that performs actions in Scratch project. A sprite. A scratch is dash pixels wide and dash pixels high, 480 pixels wide and 360 pixels high. The dash tab allows us to draw, import, or edit images for a sprite. The costumes tab. Question D. Answer the following questions. What is a Scratch? Scratch is a simple programming language. It helps us create stories, games, and animations. Question number 2. What is the role of Sprite Info pane? Sprite Info pane includes the information about the selected sprite as well as a few tools for manipulating the sprite. The tool includes sprite's name, x and y coordinates, direction, and rotation style. Question number 3. How can you set the rotation style of the sprite? We can set the rotation style of a sprite by using the rotation style button present in the Sprite Info pane. For this, click the blue exclamatory icon present on the left corner of the sprite to open the Sprite Info pane. Set the rotation style to linear arrow or anyone you want and drag the following commands and observe the result. We can set the rotation style of the sprite by using the rotation style button present in the Sprite Info pane. For this, click on the blue exclamatory icon present on the left corner of the sprite to open the Sprite Info pane and select the way you want to rotate your sprite. Question number 4. What is a sprite? Sprite is a small graphic character that performs action in Scratch projects. There are many inbuilt sprites in Scratch. Cat is the default sprite in Scratch. Question 5. explain new sprite buttons. New sprite buttons. There are 4 new sprite buttons to add a sprite. Choose sprite from library. Using this option, we can pick one from the Scratch built-in library. Paint new sprite. Using this option, we can draw a new one. Upload sprite from file. Using this option, we can upload an image we already have. New sprite from camera. Using this option, we can take a photo with our computer's webcam and use it as a sprite. Draw and color only one sprite in your notebook. आप कोई सी भी sprite को अपनी notebook में draw कर सकते हैं. Project time में we will create a dancing sprite project in Scratch with the following sprite and backdrop as shown alongside. Sprite Cassie dance, the dance theme, and backdrop spotlight stage 2. Experience based question. Jatin wants to play a sound of flute in his Scratch projects. Suggest him the appropriate block to complete the task. Nidhi is creating a project in Scratch. She wants to set the rotation style of the sprite. Can you help her in completing the task? Think and answer में we will see if your teacher tells you to improve your project, then what will you do? Ignore what she says, copy from your friend, or show to your teacher or listen to your teacher and improve your project. Also discuss the uses of various components of Scratch window in class.
जी तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इसके साथ ही हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 7 कंप्लीट हुआ, जिसमें हमने इस स्क्रैच के मुख्तलिफ स्प्राइट्स को एनिमेट करना सीखा और बैकग्राउंड को भी हमने इम्प्लीमेंट करना सीखा। एक बात का बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ख्याल रखिएगा कि अपने स्क्रैच के प्रोजेक्ट को किसी दूसरे के साथ शेयर करने से पहले एक दफ़ा खुद से ज़रूर टेस्ट करते। मैं मिलूँगा आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ। तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।